Welcome to the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire and the Material Science and Biomedical Engineering Department. Typically as part of orientation or as part of an earlier visit, you would have had the opportunity to tour our facilities and talk with faculty. Due to COVID-19, you may not have had that opportunity. Hopefully this video can give you a sense of what our material science and engineering, and biomedical engineering programs are like. Let's start with a brief tour. The UW-Eau Claire Material Science and Engineering Center has a wide array of instrumentation to process materials and then investigate the material structure, properties, and performance. What makes us unique is that this large array of state-of-the-art instrumentation is used by undergraduates in coursework and in student faculty research. Instrumentation like this is usually only found in graduate programs. The center has 5 types of electron microscopes that can produce extremely high magnification images and can determine the elemental composition on the micro and nano scale. There are also optical microscopes and confocal microscopes. The processing lab allows students to process various materials. Students can process metals using a rolling mill, investigate polymers by injection molding various plastics, and use high-temperature ovens to heat-treat metals and alloys. The materials analysis facility houses a variety of instrumentation, including a scanning tunneling microscope, an atomic force microscope, an X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy system, an X-ray diffraction system, X-ray fluorescence, and other instrumentation. There are also instruments available to measure mechanical properties like tensile strength, toughness, elasticity, and hardness. Also in the center, we have thermoanalytical techniques and multiple chemical spectroscopy instruments. The teaching lab is where many of your material science labs will be taught, including courses like Intro to Engineering. We are in the process of remodeling another space in Phillips Hall that will become the Biomedical Engineering teaching lab. The department also has active collaborations with Mayo Clinic. These collaborations include developing biocompatible foams for use during specific medical procedures and the use of 3D printing to improve patient outcomes for heart valve procedures. During the COVID-19 pandemic, faculty and students helped produce face shields for local healthcare providers and partnered with Mayo Clinic on a study to use 3D printed swabs for COVID-19 testing. Welcome to UW-Eau Claire. I'm Dr. Doug Dutton. I'm Director of the Material Science and Engineering Center, and this fall will be the Chair of the Department of Material Science and Biomedical Engineering. I have been a faculty member at UW-Eau Claire for over 20 years. I've been primarily teaching the Intro to Engineering course, the SolidWorks Computer-Aided Design course, and Intro to Materials Characterization. My research interests are diverse, with recent projects on self-healing concrete, colloidal silicon thin films, and 3D printing for medical applications. As you saw earlier in the video, we have an outstanding array of instrumentation and facilities. But what really makes UW-Eau Claire a great place to earn a degree is the faculty and staff. Faculty in the department are excellent teachers and scholars. Faculty have been awarded numerous federal grants and are recognized as leaders in their field. They all have active research programs involving students like you. So I encourage you to check out the research and contact them if you are interested in joining their research group. We also have 2 great staff scientists that are here to help you succeed. They maintain all the instrumentation and do much of the training on the instrumentation. They're a great resource if you have any questions or problems that are instrument related. Our program assistant is an excellent point of contact if you have any questions and are not sure who to ask. The faculty and staff will now introduce themselves.
Hello material scientists, hello materials engineers. My name is Mark McEllistrom. I've been at UW-Eau Claire for a little over 20 years now. I teach material science, intro material science, and I also teach nanomaterials. My research is also in nanomaterials. Sorry about the video welcome instead of the in-person welcome. We look forward to working with you on campus and in person in the near future.
Hello, my name is Liz Bogowski, and I'm an associate professor in material science and engineering. I teach courses from soft materials to macroprocessing of materials. My research interests focus on polymers, including polymer synthesis and characterization. These materials are used in biomedical applications as well as architectural coatings, which includes house paints, primers, and stains. Welcome to UW-Eau Claire.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Jewell, and I'm really glad to welcome you to Material Science this year. This year I'm teaching mostly upper level material science classes and also some introductory physics classes. So I may not see you in your first year in the classroom, but I'd encourage you to stop by. I'd love to say hi. I also do a lot of research work on superconducting materials down here in the lab using three-dimensional microscopes like those you see right behind me. And so if you're looking for a research opportunity this year, I'd love to talk with you and see if we have a good fit for you. Welcome to Material Science and Engineering, everybody. We're really glad to have you this year.
I'm Dr. Imad, and I'm an associate professor in material science and engineering. I teach mostly upper-level classes. In my research, I use supercomputers to simulate the behavior of materials. Welcome to UW-Eau Claire.
Hi all, hope you're having a great summer and looking forward to joining the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire in the fall. I'm also new to Eau Claire, having just left Chicago, Illinois. I'm very excited to be joining as a new assistant professor in the Material Sciences and Engineering program, where I'll be spending the next year on developing a very exciting new curriculum on biomedical engineering. And hopefully some of you will be interested in this, and I'll no doubt be reaching out to tell you more about this over the coming months. To tell you a little bit about my research lab is called the Spectral Pathology Lab. My lab is really focused on developing novel optical tools based on vibrational spectroscopy to improve patient diagnosis and prediction of outcome. So my lab is really focused on diseases such as cancer, kidney disease, liver disease, and fibrotic disorders. And I'm very excited to be working with the Mayo Clinic going forward on hopefully some of the clinical translation of this. If you're interested, you can find out more about some of our previous work at www.spectralpathology.com. And I really hope to see some of you joining my lab in the very near future. So I'm very excited to see you all, and have a great rest of the summer and stay safe.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Wagner, a staff scientist in the Material Science Center here at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire. I'd like to say welcome to our university. Welcome to our program. As a staff scientist, I will get to work with you on the different instrumentation in the facility as you go through our program. We look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Hi, my name is Dr. Laurel McAllistrom, and I'm a staff scientist here at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire Material Science and Engineering Center. I will not be an instructor of yours in the classroom, but I'll be with you in the laboratory, getting you checked out on all the wide variety of instrumentation that you're going to use to study all these materials, and make sure you get proficient and help you troubleshoot. So I'm looking forward to working with you. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Golot. I'm the program assistant for material science and engineering, or administrative assistant, if you will. I'm often the first face you'll see when you walk in the office, and I'm happy to help you with any questions you may have.
Hello, future material science students, and welcome to UW-Eau Claire. My name is Nate Hartnett, and I'm president of the Materials Research Society. The Materials Research Society, or MRS for short, is a material science club where we socialize and engage in material science-related activities. Some examples of activities we've done in the past include designing and 3D printing ornaments for Christmas and going on different company tours like 3M. MRS is a good way to meet material science students, and it's also a good resume builder. So I hope to see you this fall.
We look forward to the start of your academic career this fall and to the not too distant future when your picture will hang here on the wall as a graduate of our program.